Hi guys, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to wipe your cache data on Honor 8X Max. Okay, so all you need to do, just click the button, click the power up button and hold it for 5 seconds. And as you see the power off button, just click it and click it once more and then wait, and then you're gonna press the power up button with the volume up button. Just make sure to hold it for some seconds, and as you see, when the Honor pop-ups, all you need to do is just push off your finger off the power up button and hold the volume up button only. And then as you will see, there will be a menu pop-up, UMI and menu, MUI menu, and all you need to do, just wipe cache partitions, and that's perfectly good. And all you need to do, just to keep your phone up, just reboot system now. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.